Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It is Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are shouting out some of our favorite fragrances. So this is just an all-time classic of all classics. This is Obsession for Men by Calvin Klein. You guys, this is like one of the OG original amazing fragrances. It's something that I think is timeless. Sometimes, there's those fragrances that you associate with older gentlemen or older ladies because it was a fragrance that was popular a long time ago. I don't know how he has done it, but Calvin Klein has created a fragrance that is totally timeless because this still smells modern, it still smells new, and it's something that, if you're trying to choose your personal scent, if you're trying to, have your trademark what you smell like, this is something that you can choose at 20 and you know that it's still gonna be around and smelling great, when you're 50 and 60, because there's tons of older gentlemen that have been wearing this since their youth and this is still their go-to. As a woman, I can tell you I have worn this fragrance before, and don't don't let that scare you off, and don't let that make you think that I'm weird. I love men's cologne, and when I've worn it, men say that it smells amazing on women as well. This is a very woodsy smell. It's going to be rich and lush and just warm and inviting. It definitely has base notes of that sandalwood, which I love. But there is some lighter layers in the middle. So that's why I think that it's kept modern, because it's not so overpowering. It has those light, lush notes. It's got some lavender. It's got some orange blossom. It even has a little bit of vanilla that just plays off the sandalwood. You guys, it's fantastic. You're going to love it. Again, if you were looking for your signature scent, this could very well be it. It is going to be timeless at any age. It's never going to go out of style or be like the cheesy, scent that was popular 10 years ago. This one has stood the test of time. Additional note, you guys, sometimes it is a little nerve-wracking to buy any sort of fragrance on Amazon. How do you know it's real? What if I get just some knockoff bottle, that kind of thing? That's the cool thing about ordering on Amazon versus any other retailer on the internet. You have that A to Z guarantee. You know that Amazon is gonna have your back if you get it and there's something wrong with it. So you can go ahead and know, you're gonna buy with confidence because you have that A to Z guarantee. So go ahead and put this in your cart, order it. You're gonna be really happy that you did.